Would you get down? We're going to be late for Sarah Alexandra's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Sarah Alexandra's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, my friend Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Breaking news. It's Sarah Alexandra's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra. Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
Happy birthday, Sarah Alexandra.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Sarah Alexandra's party started.